Hi, in this video, you will learn how to combine the if function along with the add function, which are both from the logicals category, to perform two or more logical tests. So in this scenario, we want to test if the type record is equal to grass and the total value is greater than 500 to return yes or no. We come here type equals to if, immediately you type and. Our first logic is if the type record is equal to grass, comma, our second logical test is and the total value is greater than 500. Close the bracket. So if these two conditions or logical tests are met, we want to return the value of yes. If not, we want to return the value of no. Close the bracket, hit enter. We get no here. You can just copy that down. We can just double check. You can see we have yes, say grass greater than 500, and that's the only place we have yes. Found this useful? Give it a thumbs up. Follow for part 4.